Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Y'all ready to do this? Let's go. Hey my peeps, it's about to go down. If you like what you see, stay and chill for a while. Hit the bell, thumbs that up, subscribe to our channel. We're gonna have fun and do this mukbang. Leftover mukbang. Me and honey, we went on a, not a date because we didn't go in, but we ordered and we came home last night and we watched movies and we just enjoyed ourselves. And so this is what was left over. So I thought, why not share it with you guys? We have honey mustard, which I am now obsessed with. I told y'all my last, I know I just did Wingstop. Just did it. And we have ranch for a little ranch left over for my little corn. Oh, that was hot. That's hot, y'all. So yeah, guys, let me say a little grace and then let's get to eating. Thank you, dear Father, for this food. Truly thankful in your name, amen. And I have some Sprite and some water on the side. Yeah, guys. I know I've been missing in action. There's just been a lot going on. I'll just leave it at that. But I'm here today and I wanted to share my leftovers. And I'm hungry, so let's get into it. I got garlic Parmesan. Y'all. You know what? This is gonna be messy, so let me pull this back. That's so good. Wow. I'm gonna thumb that because last time I did. And they gave me the worst thumbnail ever, so I just had to run with it. How have you guys been? I hope y'all had a wonderful Christmas. And the New Year's coming around. I'm ready. Ready. I just have some little rolls left over from Christmas dinner. Oh, that's hot. It's hot. That's so bomb. Guys, this probably won't be a very long video. I just wanted to get on here and share it with y'all. I like the little crusties at the bottom. The garlic. Look at that. That's so delicious. We really haven't been doing anything, y'all. Just working and coming home. It's been a rough Christmas, you know, since we lost Duchess. I know. Some people may just say it's just a pup, but she was so much more than that. I do have a video coming, a Q&A video, and I'm gonna do it when my husband can be here to do it with me. He had to work today, so I just thought I would jump on here and share my leftovers. Leftover Sprite too. But yeah, y'all. Who loves this corn? Who loves the corn? Okay, I get every bit out of it. My husband, he doesn't really care for it. He eats it, but y'all, my husband's one strange picky eater. I don't say picky, but he is definitely strange when it comes to his food. This honey mustard, y'all. The table moved. I didn't lock the wheels. Oh well. Y'all. Delicious. This is so good. I don't have nothing to say. Yeah, I was researching our pet Trixie. Because I know she's a Maltese. But I'm not for sure about her age. And I was just doing some research. And it turns out that Trixie is a toy Maltese. They have toy Maltese. They have regular Maltese, toy Maltese, and teacup Maltese. And teacup is what Jada was. Teacup Chihuahua. But anyway, I just thought that was neat. Just thought I would share that with y'all because I really have nothing else to talk about. So how delicious this is. I'll make it a mess. I'm getting full already, y'all. I always order a lot and then get full really quick. I always have leftovers though. Yeah, don't judge me. That's where the goodness is at. Whew. That was good, y'all. It's spicy. Hot. That was hot. Who loves good leftovers? I do. You know, some people don't even eat leftovers. Let me know if you eat leftovers. Me personally, I think it's better the next day. Spaghetti is the best. Leftover spaghetti is better than the spaghetti the day before when it's freshly cooked, in my opinion. Oh, that's so spicy. I love these little crusties down here, y'all. Makes you want to dance. I love some good food that just makes you want to dance. Ooh. That holds all the goodness in it, y'all. was gone. Ooh, I don't think I'll be able to eat all this, y'all. A lot of wood. I'll put this back in the oven. And the got all crusty in there. I'm gonna be able to eat those last two. I'm full. I haven't eaten anything all day. Oh, y'all. I think that's it. I know it's just a little short video. I just wanted to come say hi. I'm going to do the Q&A video with my husband. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'm getting all y'all's questions on my community post, my community tab. And I'm enjoying the questions. So, yeah, guys. I think I'm going to call this a video because I am fat and full. P-H-A-T. I hope y'all have had a wonderful Christmas. And I hope y'all have a wonderful new year. Stay safe. Stay blessed. And y'all get ready because at the beginning of the year, we're going to get healthier. Hopefully, we will. I still have some more videos I've got to put out. But around the beginning of the year, maybe not the first, but around the beginning of the year, definitely by the 15th, I'll have all the videos that I've been requested to do. I'll have those videos out and I'll be good to go. So, yeah, guys, y'all stay safe, stay blessed. Happy New Year's. Peace.